Good morning, it's Mr. Tritt, and I'm here to help you fill out your college form. It's part of the Texas Reality Check. You have to select the college that you'd like to go to. It could be any college that you want. So today what I've done is I decided to pick two different colleges. One would be the University of Texas. The other one would be San Diego State University, just to give you an idea of different universities throughout the U.S. So I had picked a different college, and I'm going to take care of this first. Get rid of this information. So this is all done with Kami again. If you haven't had Kami, make sure you upload it. It's a extension in your Google Chromebook. So I decided to use the University of Texas, and then I put down San Diego State University here. The type of school, it takes 4 years to graduate with a degree. Same thing with San Diego State University. If you decide to go to Collin College, Richland College, those are community colleges. Those are 2-year programs. A technical school would be like a vo-tech school. Okay, so the University of Texas, I went in here and so the University of Texas is here, and I'm looking for their address. So you can click on their website. It's utexas.edu, which would be right here's the website. So we can already go ahead and do that. So it's utexas.edu. Okay. And then we can get the setting. We're just going to go through this real quick. It's not in order, but we'll do that. Urban is the setting. That's what's going to be right here. Urban setting means where is it located? Is it in a city? Is it in a rural countryside? Where is it located at? Okay. Now the address. Click here. And the internet's kind of slow. So usually what happens is at the bottom of the screen, it will give the location of where this university is. Sometimes about, you can click on about and see if that's going to create where the location is. Contact, you can go to contact. So the general information, the main building, you can go main building, 110 Intercampus Drive, Austin, Texas. That would be you can put that as the address. Let's try this again. So you can copy it here, and you can go over here where the location is, and right click and paste it. And then we'll have to try to do it this way. Right, and then we'll put this up here. There we go. Let's put this. Okay, now the number of students enrolled. You can go back to Google it too and just put down University of Texas student enrollment. For 2015, 2015 was 50,950. You go to Wikipedia, it may provide more accurate recent number here. let's see here. Yeah, students, 50,090. Copy that. That's the fall of 2019. That's good enough. It gives you an idea of how many students are going to be there. Let's see here. 51,000. Yeah. So 51,090, and we're going to put that right here. The average ACT scores, all we have to do is Google it again. University of Texas ACT requirements. 30 ACT composite of 30 or higher, and students with 33 above have very competitive choices. If you come to Prep Scholar, the average is 30. You can copy that right there, put that in there. It gives you an idea of what you need to get in there. It may be higher by now, but all right. Do that again. Nope. And then we're going to go for the AC or SAT. Yeah, it's not here. So I have to go back and just put in SAT. Looking at 1240, 1470. That's, and let's see here. We're looking at 1355. Type that in there, 1355. Overall GPA after 1 year enrollment. I would just use this one right here. The average GPA at UT is 3.83. 3.83. Graduation rate. I'm not sure if that's going to be in here. So you can always go back and you can put in, you can Google it. Right here is 81, just put round it up to 81%. Student to faculty ratio. Yeah. University of Texas student to faculty ratio. 18:1. 18:1. Average cost of in-state tuition. That's not what I was looking for here. Oh, let's see here. Let's go over here. No. So average annual in-state cost, according to this, is $27,728. And that's before aid. Depends on your financial situation. but that's what they usually charge. After age 16,505. You come down here for 4 years is $110,000, so that's about right. 25 times 4 is 100,000, so it might be a little bit more. But anyway, that gives you an idea. This says in-state tuition's $10,824, out-of-state's $38,326. This probably has to do with financial aid too. Room and board. So we'll go in here and go room and board. 2021. See if this is available. 16,000. And you can also do a comparison by clicking on this website here. Yeah, let's see if this has any. Right here. Tuition and fees, 10,000 in state. Well, I think it's going to be more than that. Anyway, facts and reputation that we want to find is important. You can, whatever is, when you're researching this, what's important to you. If you can find it, great. If you can't, that's okay. Job placement rates. Exit page. We're having some issues with the internet again. So you can type in University of Texas graduation rate. And we're waiting and waiting and waiting. Try this again. University of Texas graduation rate. Well, it's not pulling up. We're having some difficulty. Anyway, it gives you an idea of what you need to put here. Of the two schools, and then you'll do the same thing with San Diego State as an example. And then of the two schools, which one you think you might actually want to attend and why. So that's basically how to fill out this form. Do not use this website. That won't take you anywhere. Okay. And then you can put the universities here too as well. All right, thanks for watching. And the next one, I'll show you how to do the PowerPoint after you finish this form up and the Onit and the reality check. Then we're going to start working on your PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.